What are the dismissal probability for a first-time DUI in the state of California? Now, having a first-time DUI is devastating, especially when you never or even encounter a crime whatsoever in your whole entire life. It was just an innocent night, hang out with friends, family, associates, colleagues, and etc. You got a few drinks, you're driving, and unfortunately, it led to this particular incident. Anyone could fall victim to this, and you're not alone. And we understand the severity of it. And this is scary, but our job is to make sure that we give you a voice. We negotiate for you. We fight for you. We see if there's any possibility to mitigate it. Any possibility. Are you a doctor? Are you a nurse? Are you a lawyer? Are you executive? Do you have a license that this DUI conviction can drastically affect you? We're here to help and utilize all those resources to show to the district attorney that this first-time DUI should not be taken to the extreme. It should be considered based off your facts and circumstances of the case. Why you did certain things. Is this a common habit? What was the level of alcohol? These are things that we must share. But most importantly, looking at to see if there's any type of Fourth Amendment violation. That is going to be the bread and butter in determining whether or not a case will typically be dismissed. What's the basis for the stop? Did they have enough for the stop? Did they have enough to get you out of the car? What was the investigation? The standardized fear sobriety test, was it done precisely pursuant to the standard set forth? These are not estimates. These must be done precisely, because if done precisely in a proper standardized manner, will produce a estimated result of the percentage of a person being at a 0.08 or above. If not done precisely, then that test that was conducted is inaccurate. Therefore, how can they determine if you were 0.08 or above blood alcohol concentration level if they didn't do the test correctly? And most importantly, probable cause for an arrest. Did they have enough for an arrest? Even after the arrest, was there proper procedures done in terms of if you decide to give them blood, to get blood? If they got a warrant, was a warrant valid? These are things to look at, because if any of those procedures were done incorrectly, there's a potential basis to actually suppress or eliminate that evidence. When the evidence is eliminated, they don't have a case. At Charlotte Law Firm, we're here to help and guide you. Even though there may be no Fourth Amendment violation, there may be gaps in terms of on how they got to the arrest. If everything goes smoothly, then a violation may have taken place or weakness may have taken place, and that case can potentially be outright dismissed. At Charlotte Law Firm, we're here to help and guide you.